Marsupium means pouch and marsupial in the animals whose babies complete their development in a pouch on the mother's body. When the baby marsupial is born, it is small and helpless. It finds its way, by instinct, to the mother's pouch. There it gets milk from its mother and goes steadily until it is large enough to leave the pouch and fend for itself. Kangaroos, koala bears and wallabies are the most common marsupials, though marsupial bats and moles also exist. Marsupials developed before placental animals, which complete all their development inside the mother's womb. Placental animals were better able to compete for food, so marsupials died out in most parts of the world. Once Australia had become separated from the other continents, placental animals couldn't easily reach it. This is why marsupials have flourished in Australia. Some are also found in America.